Hi everyone, we're gonna be replacing a PCB valve on a 2019 Volvo XC60, something like that. Let me see. XC60, sorry. It's the 2.0 liter. We're gonna be replacing the PCB valve. First is this part right here. Pretty simple job. It makes a whistling noise when it starts leaking through this hole. The diaphragm in here goes bad. All you have to do is you need a T, it's a Torx. You have to remove a T40 right there. All you have to do is, I did it by hand, they were loose. They're all loose. It's 4 of them. When that's loose, you can remove the cover, and it's this part right here. All you have to do is remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 number 8 millimeters. It's right there. And disconnect this hose. I'm gonna show you when I do it. I already have them all loose. All you have to do is remove those. And all that's gonna come out, I'll show you. Once you have taken all the 8 millimeter bolts, they're all out. This thing just gonna lift up. See? So all you have to do is get a pair of pliers. You can probably remove it. There you go, it came out. And then you can just lift the whole thing out. That thing right there. And there's another diaphragm in here. They both go bad. As you can see, this one's stuck open on the new part. It's not, it's flat. That's why you're hearing a big noise. Now all you have to do is clean the surface. Make sure your new part has already the gasket. This one has already the gasket around. We're gonna clean the surface right now and install it back on. Now we have all the surface squeaky clean. All we have to do is install the part back. We're gonna put the bolts one by one. What I like to do is I put one on one side and one on the other, so everything aligns perfect. All you have to do is reconnect the hose, delete the codes, and that's it. It's a pretty simple job. I recommend for beginners. Please like and subscribe.